Hello, my name is Gareth, and I'm the International Project Manager here at Edmentum International. I want to go through a quick overview of courseware today to give you a little understanding of what the program does and how our curriculum may be able to support you in a variety of different settings. Courseware began its life back in the 1960s as Plato Courseware and was the first computer-assisted instruction system. Between then and now, we have seen a complete change in how technology is used in instruction, to the point where courseware has developed to be a fully online program with a wide breadth of content. Courseware includes over 400 semester-long courses that are aligned to US standards. These include the core courses, but also electives, career and college, advanced courses, and a host of language courses too. As with any other aspect of education, at the core of quality content development is a team of knowledgeable and dedicated people. At Edmentum, we are proud to have built a curriculum team of experts in a variety of subjects who have thousands of years in total of combined real classroom teaching and technology experience behind them, and who understand what good instructional strategies look like. Courseware is highly customizable, and we have 5 main flexible options which are listed here, summarizing the key functionality that Edmentum courseware can offer. Course customization allows your school to tailor our courses to your specific needs, as well as add your own content. Student toolbars support the student with their learning through a host of different functions, which I'll show you in a moment. Course and unit activities provide an opportunity for the student to show their understanding through essays, projects, creative writing, and other written work. Courseware collects a lot of data on a student's knowledge and understanding of any given topic. We provide you with easy-to-understand reporting, which can be either as brief or as granular as you require on any given day. On top of the curriculum courses, we also provide flex assignments, which allow teachers to set the students' work that directly aligns with what they have been doing in the class. Let's take a quick look at the course structure. The courses are broken down into units and can be between 3 and 6 units long depending on the course. Within those units you then have the topics, which are split into tutorials and mastery tests. Tutorials are like an online workbook where students can explore a topic through video, text, sound and image. They also get the ability to run practice questions on the topic. Mastery tests do exactly what they say. They assess the student for mastery on that topic. This comes from a pool of questions so that if the student fails, they can redo the tutorial and try the test again. A student would work through all of the topics which have the same tutorial mastery test framework and would then have to complete a unit activity which, as mentioned earlier, is a piece that the student has to show their understanding in written form. Also a note, at the beginning of the course they also get to take part in a discussion with their other classmates, each with a theme centred around the unit. Finally, at the end of each unit we have post-tests, and then end of semester tests too. At the beginning of each unit you also have the ability to set pre-tests, which will exempt students from anything they've already mastered. This is great for students who may have failed the course previously, or for summer school. Courseware allows you to customize any of your courses for your unique class format, to accommodate the needs of all your learners. There are many features that may be customized within each course, including hiding graded discussions, Dropbox availability, and the use of pre-tests or post-tests. Educators may also create unique announcements or choose the number of attempts a learner may take at a mastery test, so that intervention can occur when needed. You can choose what students view in their course curriculum and when they are able to access it. You may also start with our course and then make it your own by adding, deleting, reordering, or changing course content as needed. Finally, the educator can build their own courses by selecting from our extensive library of resources, lessons, modules, and tutorials. The content we provide is filled with engaging multimedia, so that students can learn in a way that best suits them. The tutorials allow students to think critically and practice what they are learning while they acquire new knowledge through real-world situations and interactive lessons. The intuitive student interface here allows a learner to look up resources and glossaries, discover new words, and even translate text into 19 different languages, including Arabic and traditional or simplified Chinese. These tutorials are thorough, so we provide highlighters and note-taking, as well as the ability to save and come back where you left off, as ways for a student to learn concepts in their own time and in their own way. One of our newest features is AR, Augmented Reality, a selection of courses with the ability to explore our world in new ways. This new tool allows you to see art from the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York, for example, right in front of you in your living room, so that you can study close up and gain further understanding. Here's another example of an AR activity in biology. In the first activity, classifying organisms, students observe the characteristics of insects in their AR workspace. Our data visualization can answer questions such as, how much time have my students been working on their courses? Who is off pace and maybe needs support? What grade is my student predicted to achieve, and how can I help them reach their goals? To help you and your students make the most of your time, we've added progress and pacing data designed to give you and your students guidance on progress towards course completion. Intuitive data views with visibility into pacing, progress monitoring, and grades will give you even more insight into student performance. You can also make use of our full digital gradebook, which automatically populates student scores. You can also change the weighting of different elements of the course, grant credits, and define your grading scale. As you can see, courseware can present data to you in different ways, whether that's an overview of student progress and course completion, or detailed scores and even report cards. Our reports can be generated as and when you need them, and even generated regularly and automatically, so that you can come in and get your weekly progress report on the day you need it. There is a tiered level of reporting so that parents, teachers, and administrators can get the data they need to further student progress. We share your passion for learning, and our organisation of former educators and professionals are driven by our mission to empower futures one student at a time. We are committed to raising the bar in what you can expect from your technology partner by ensuring that you uncover the full potential of your programs. So that's a really brief introduction to courseware. The program has many functionalities that have been designed from teachers and schools' input, so I would encourage you, if you're interested in what you've seen today, to schedule in a call with us to talk through your specific circumstances and how we may be able to support you. We can also take the time to take a deep dive into courseware to give you a further idea of how it works. Thanks very much for your time today, and let us know if you have any questions.